Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Apple Pay card from Apple Watch SE 3. You can see I have the Apple Watch SE 3, and if I wanted to remove the payment card from it, I can go to my iPhone and go to Watch app. Now scroll down and find Wallet and Apple Pay. Now, simply go to the card that you'd like to remove, scroll all the way down and click on Remove Card. Now, click on Remove. Wait a moment and now it's removed from your Apple Watch. It still stays on your iPhone, so if you'd like to remove it from your iPhone, you will need to do it via the Apple Wallet app. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.